Viagra and Cialis are household names, primarily recognized as treatments for erectile dysfunction. However, groundbreaking research is reshaping their reputation, positioning these medications as potential anti-aging agents. Emerging evidence suggests that their benefits extend far beyond sexual health, showing promise in improving cardiovascular health, combating cellular aging, and even reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with aging. Two recent studies delve into how these PDE5 inhibitors may offer longevity and anti-aging advantages, paving the way for new uses of these well-known medications. One of the studies, published in Clinical Cardiology, explored the cardiovascular effects of PDE5 inhibitors like Viagra and Cialis. Researchers analyzed data from long-term users and uncovered significant reductions in the risk of major cardiovascular events, including heart attacks and strokes. The mechanism behind this benefit lies in the drug's ability to improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. This action reduces arterial stiffness and lowers blood pressure, two critical factors in maintaining heart health. Given that heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, these findings are particularly encouraging. The study also noted an association between improved cardiovascular function and increased life expectancy. By protecting the heart and blood vessels, Viagra and Cialis may play a role in promoting longevity. Another pivotal study, published in MedRxiv IV, examined how these medications affect the aging process at the cellular level. Researchers discovered that PDE5 inhibitors help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two key contributors to cellular damage and aging. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful free radicals accumulate in the body, damaging cells and tissues. By neutralizing these free radicals and supporting mitochondrial function, Viagra and Cialis help preserve the health of cells and delay the onset of age-related conditions. This protective effect extends to critical organs like the brain and kidneys, which are particularly vulnerable to oxidative damage. The study also highlighted the potential for these medications to reduce inflammation, a driver of chronic diseases such as diabetes, Alzheimer's, and arthritis. These studies suggest that Viagra and Cialis are not just for improving sexual performance, they could represent a new frontier in longevity medicine. By enhancing cardiovascular health and combating cellular aging, these drugs may help people maintain vitality and health well into their later years. Moreover, the established safety profiles of these medications make them appealing candidates for long-term use. Millions of men and women have used PDE5 inhibitors for years, providing researchers with extensive data on their tolerability and side effects. Beyond their cardiovascular and anti-aging benefits, Viagra and Cialis have been associated with other health perks. Improved exercise capacity. Enhanced blood flow can increase oxygen delivery to muscles, boosting endurance and physical performance. Kidney health. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, these drugs may help protect kidney function. Reduced pulmonary hypertension. Originally developed as a treatment for pulmonary hypertension, these medications continue to demonstrate benefits for lung health. Lower risk of dementia. Some studies suggest that improved blood flow to the brain could reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. These additional advantages underscore the versatility of PDE5 inhibitors and their potential as multifaceted tools for promoting health and longevity. While the idea of repurposing Viagra and Cialis as anti-aging agents might sound unconventional, the science behind these claims is compelling. As researchers continue to uncover the broader health benefits of these medications, their role in preventive and longevity-focused medicine could expand significantly. If you are intrigued by the potential of Viagra or Cialis for improving health and combating aging, PrimeBody.com is your trusted partner. At PrimeBody, you can connect with licensed physicians through telehealth consultations to determine if these medications are right for you. With safety, discretion, and convenience as top priorities, PrimeBody ensures your prescriptions are delivered directly to your door. Whether you're seeking to enhance heart health, support cellular vitality, or optimize your overall well-being, PrimeBody provides expert care and guidance tailored to your needs. Take control of your health and explore the longevity benefits of PDE5 inhibitors with PrimeBody. Your journey to a healthier, more vibrant life starts here.